Sri Guru Namaga children, see this is 12th standard state board complex number exercise 2.6. If z equal to x plus iy, it's a standard form of a complex number, is a complex number such that modulus of z minus 4i by z plus 4i equal to 1. See here, we should find out the locus. What is the locus? Locus is a point moves from the distance of anywhere. See, it's a point. Locus is a point. See here, I can take it as modulus of z minus 4i by z plus 4i equal to 1. Modulus of z minus 4i by z plus 4i equal to 1. Can separate the modulus z minus 4i by modulus of z plus 4i equal to 1. So, I bring it to this side. What is the value? See here, z minus 4i equal to z minus 4i equal to z plus 4i. See, what is the value of z? Z value is nothing but what? X plus iy. You replace it. X plus iy minus 4i. X plus iy minus 4i equal to x plus iy plus 4i. So, you club the imaginary and real value separately. See here, x plus I into y minus 4, I into y minus 4 equal to x plus I into y plus 4. You separate the real part and imaginary part. What is the meaning for that modulus? I already discussed with you in the previous exercise itself. It is nothing but a root of square of the real number plus square of the imaginary number. So, it gives root of x square plus y minus 4 the whole square, real square plus imaginary square equal to root of x square plus y plus 4 the whole square. See, squaring on both the sides or taking square root on both the sides, anything you will write. See, what is the answer you are getting? X square plus y minus 4 the whole square equal to x square plus y plus 4 the whole square. X square get cancelled. If it is the same sign equal to, it is the same sign, we can cancel. See, what is the remaining thing? Y minus 4 the whole square equal to y plus 4 the whole square. A minus b the whole square formula. So, a square minus 8y plus 16. A square minus 8y plus 16 equal to a square plus 8y plus 16. See here, a minus b the whole square, here a plus b the whole square, y square get cancelled, 16 get cancelled. What is the remaining thing? Minus 8y equal to 0. So, minus 16y equal to 0, which implies y equal to 0. See here, minus 16 it brings to next side, it becomes 0 by minus 16. The value equal to y equal to 0, which is nothing but a real axis. Which is real axis, because there is no imaginary value, I term is not there. So, which is equal to a real axis. This is the locus of P. This is the locus of the point P, y equal to 0. See, exercise 2.6, second sum. If z equal to x plus iy is a complex number such that I am, it's nothing but a imaginary. Imaginary of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0. Show that the locus of z is, we have to prove this value, 2x square plus 2y square plus x minus 2y equal to 0. It's an important question. It's an important question. Okay, yeah, listen, you can take it as imaginary of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0. What is the value of z here? X plus iy. First you can take it as this alone. Okay, see, let z equal to x plus iy. Let z equal to x plus iy. You can take this 2z plus 1. You take this alone first. We will simplify first. Then we can substitute imaginary of that value. 2z plus 1 iz plus 1 equal to 2 into, what is the value of z? Z is nothing but x plus iy. So, x plus iy plus 1 by 2 into x plus iy plus 1 into I into, what is the value of z? Z equal to x plus iy plus 1. See, in the place of z, I substituted x plus iy. I bring it inside that value 2. See here, 2x plus 2iy plus 1. 2x plus 2iy plus 1 by ix, multiply I inside, ix plus I square y plus I square y plus 1. So, see here, 2x plus 2iy plus 1 by ix. What is the value of I square? I square value is minus 1. So, minus y, because I square value equal to minus 1. So, minus y plus 1. Now, you club the real value and imaginary value. See here, this is real part and this is real part. The same way, this is real and this is real. You club the term 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 plus 2iy. 2x plus 1 plus 2iy. First you will write the real part, then you will write the imaginary value. Minus y plus 1. Minus y plus 1 plus ix. Minus y plus 1 plus ix. See the last step. 2x plus 1 plus 2iy by minus 1 plus minus y plus 1 plus ix. See here, 2x plus 1 plus 2iy by 1 minus I, or you can write minus y plus 1 also, plus ix. Now you can take it as a complex conjugate. What is complex conjugate? Into 1 minus y minus ix. 1 minus y minus ix into 1 minus y minus ix. See, this is a plus ib into a minus ib. It gives a square plus b square. It gives a square plus b square. See, in this way you will write a square plus b square means you take the real value and imaginary value alone. Don't take the sign. Don't take I. What is the real part? 1 minus y. What is the imaginary part? X. That's all. A value is 1 minus y. B value is x. So, you can take the number, that is value alone. So, it gives, you multiply here, see, 2x plus 1 in plus 2iy. 2x plus 1 into 2iy into, what is the next thing here? 1 minus y minus ix. 1 minus y minus ix by a square plus b square. A square value is 1 minus y the whole square, because a value is 1 minus y and b value is x square. Now we are going to multiply here. See, you can multiply this value 2x plus 1 into 1 minus y. You will write in such a way 2x plus 1 into 1 minus y. Okay. Next 2x plus 1 into minus ix into 2x plus 1. Next 2iy. So 2iy into 1 minus y. Next plus into minus 2i square xy. 2i square xy by 2i square xy by 1 minus y the whole square plus x square. 1 minus y the whole square plus x square. See here the same step I will repeat. 2x plus 1 into 1 minus y. I will write it here. 2x plus 1 into 1 minus y. 2x plus 1 into minus ix. So minus ix into 2x plus 1. 2iy into 1 minus y. 2iy into 1 minus y. 2iy into minus ix. It gives minus because plus into minus 2i square xy. See here, you will write in such a way 2x plus 1 into 1 minus y minus ix into 2x plus 1 plus 2iy into 1 minus y. What is the value of I square? I square value is minus 1. So it become minus into minus become plus 2xy whole divided by 1 minus y square plus x square. What are the imaginary values here? Where the I is placed, that is nothing but a imaginary value. So we can take this term and this term alone for the imaginary value of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0. See, what is the sum? Imaginary part of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1. We arrived this answer. See, we can take it as the imaginary value alone. You don't take the real part. You can take the imaginary part alone. See here, imaginary of 2z plus 1 by iz plus 1 equal to 0. You can take that imaginary value alone. You don't take I. You take the coefficient of I. What is the value here? Minus x into 2x plus 1 minus x into 2x plus 1. The same way plus 2y. You neglected I. 2y into 1 minus y by. What is the denominator? 1 minus y the whole square plus x square equal to 0. So imaginary part. So I can take it as the imaginary value alone. I don't take it as a real value. Okay. So it goes to this side. It become 0. 0 into any number? 0. Now you multiply inside. Minus 2x square minus x. Minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square equal to 0. Minus 2x square minus x plus 2y minus 2y square equal to 0. You change the sign. What is the value you are getting? 2x square plus 2y square plus x minus 2y equal to 0. We arrived the answer. This is nothing but is the locus of z. Locus is nothing but a point. Locus of z, complex number. See, this is third sum. Exercise 2.6. obtain the Cartesian form of the locus of Z. Locus means I told you before itself it's a point. Okay. See, of Z equal to x plus iy. Cartesian product means it's nothing but x comma y value. Real part of z value already given. It is a standard form of a complex number. Z equal to x plus iy. So you can take it as z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to x plus iy. Real part of. You can take the real value alone. First you substitute, then you can take the real value alone. Real part of I into what is the value of z? X plus iy the whole square. X plus iy the whole square. Now use equal to 3. Now you substitute I in. Now you multiply I inside. See here. Real part of I into x ix. I into x ix plus I into I square y. I square y the whole square equal to 3. I into x ix plus I square y the whole square equal to 3. So real part of first I simplify this value. I square value is nothing but what? I square equal to minus 1. Minus y the whole square equal to 3. Now I take it as a real value alone. I neglect the excluded that imaginary part. I can take it only as the real part. If I can take it as a real part, I don't write this real part number. Real part RE. So this is the real part. So I take it minus y the whole square. Minus y the whole square equal to 3. Minus y the whole square equal to 3 means y square equal to 3 is the locus of Z. Locus of Z. See the second subdivision, imaginary part of. Previously we have seen the real part of. This is imaginary part of 1 minus I into Z plus 1 equal to 0. I can take this part alone first. Okay, see 1 minus I substitute the value of Z equal to x plus iy. It is given in the question itself. 1 minus I into x plus iy plus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus I is that value I can substitute here for x plus iy plus 1 equal to 0. So multiply 1 into x plus iy minus I into minus ix minus I square y plus 1 equal to 0. See here 1 into x, 1 into iy, minus I into x minus ix minus I into minus into plus minus I into I square y plus 1 equal to 0. I simplify the term. See here x plus iy minus ix. What is the value of I square? Minus 1. Yeah, good. Minus of minus 1 into y. See, already minus is there. So, minus of I square value is minus 1 into y plus 1 equal to 0. So, x plus iy minus ix plus y plus 1 equal to 0. But what is the sum? Imaginary part of. The sum is imaginary part of 1 minus I into z plus 1 equal to 0. So, we can take the imaginary value alone. That is the coefficient of I. See, this is imaginary and this is imaginary. Remaining all the parts are real. So, that value alone we pick up. See here y minus x equal to 0. You write it in a proper way. X minus y. I change the sign also. I can take it as minus commonly out. You bring it to this side also, it becomes 0. X minus y equal to 0 is the locus of z. Yeah, it's a Cartesian form of a z. See the third subdivision. You can take it as let z equal to x plus iy. Let z equal to x plus iy modulus of x plus iy plus I. Modulus of x plus iy plus I equal to modulus of x plus iy minus 1. Modulus of x plus iy plus I equal to modulus of x plus iy minus 1. See, separate the real and imaginary. See here, x plus I into y plus 1. X plus, you can take it as I commonly out, y plus 1 equal to modulus of x minus 1 into iy. I club the real value and imaginary value. See here, what is the meaning for that modulus? Root of real square plus imaginary square. Real square plus imaginary. What is imaginary value here? Y plus 1 the whole square. Real square plus imaginary square equal to, the same way you can proceed this side also. See, x minus 1 the whole square plus y square, squaring on both the sides, or taking square root on both the, squaring on both the sides. What is the value we are getting? X square plus y plus 1 the whole square. X square plus y plus 1 the whole square equal to x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. See here, x square, a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b the whole square formula means a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to, the same way a minus b the whole square formula. See, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus y square. Okay. See, x square get cancelled. 1 get cancelled. Y square get cancelled. What are the remaining values you are having? 2y plus 2x equal to 0. X square cancel, y square cancel, 1 get cancelled. Remaining value is 2y plus 2x equal to 0. 2 you can take it as commonly out into x plus y equal to 0. The 2 you can bring it to next side. It gives the answer x plus y equal to 0 is the Cartesian value of z. See, fourth subdivision, z bar equal to z inverse. Z bar is different, z inverse is different. See here, let z equal to x plus iy. What is the meaning for z bar? Z bar equal to x minus iy. But z inverse equal to 1 by z. Z inverse is nothing but what? 1 by z. 1 by z means 1 by x plus iy. See, we substitute here z bar equal to z inverse. Z bar equal to z inverse. What is z bar? X minus iy equal to 1 by x plus iy. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, we get the value x minus iy into x plus iy equal to 1. See here, a minus ib into a plus ib. What is the formula for a minus ib into a plus ib equal to a square plus b square? You don't take I, you can take the coefficient of I. So, x minus iy into x plus iy is nothing but what? X square plus y square equal to 1 is the Cartesian form of the locus of z. See here, fourth sum, show that the following equation represent a circle and find its center and radius. Before we enter into that, we should find out the equation of complex form of a circle. See, this is real part. Always x-axis we can take it as a real part and y-axis you can take it as a imaginary part. So I can draw a circle here. Draw a circle here. This is a fixed point Z0. Fixed point Z0. It is any point Z. Any point I can take it as a Z. So the distance between Z0 and Z is nothing but R, radius. What is the meaning for that? The locus of Z that satisfies the equation. The locus of Z that satisfies the equation. What is that equation? Modulus of Z minus Z0 equal to R. Z minus Z0 equal to R. In this, Z0 is a fixed point of a complex number. R is nothing but a fixed positive real number. It is nothing but a radius. Okay, R is nothing but a radius. Real number consists of all the points of Z. See, once again I repeat, Z0 is the fixed point of a complex number and R is nothing but a fixed positive real number consists of all the points. See here, if it is come like this is nothing but R. So, it's a rotation, radius. Okay, R is a fixed point of a positive real number consists of all the point of a Z. That distance is nothing but a radius. See here, if suppose modulus of Z minus Z0, Z minus Z0 equal to R. Modulus of Z minus Z0 equal to R, it's nothing but the equation of the circle. Is the equation of the circle. Equation of the circle. Suppose modulus of Z minus Z0, Z minus Z0 is less than R. The point is interior of the circle. The point is interior of the circle. The point is interior. The point is interior of the circle. The point is interior of the circle. This is the symbol for circle. Okay, suppose modulus of Z minus Z0 greater than R. Z minus Z0 greater than R. The same way the point is exterior of the circle. The point is exterior of the circle. The point is exterior of the circle. So what is the equation, complex equation of the circle is modulus of Z minus Z0 equal to R. Z0 is the fixed point, nothing but a center of the circle and R is nothing but a radius of the circle. Now we move on to the sum. See here, we should find out the center and radius of a circle. Before we discussed what is that? Z minus Z0 equal to R is the equation of the circle. So, we bring this term into this form. See here, Z minus you can take it as commonly out. So, what is the thing? 2 plus I equal to 3. What is the center here? Z0. See here, Z minus Z0. So, this is nothing but a center. Z0 is the center, R is the radius. So, minus you can take it out, it brings 2 plus I, center equal to 2 comma 1. See that imaginary value you can write down the coefficient 2 comma 1. So, what about the radius? Radius equal to 3. Radius equal to 3. Center equal to 2 comma 1 and radius equal to 3. See here coefficient of Z. What is the coefficient of Z? Coefficient of Z is 2. You can take it out. So 2 into, because modulus it is absolute value, so you can take it out. 2 into Z plus 1 minus 2I. See, totally I can take it as 2 commonly out. Z plus 1 minus 2i equal to 2. So you bring 2 to this side, or you can cancel 2. What is the value here? 1. So modulus of Z plus 1 minus 2i equal to 1. But in the formula, Z minus Z naught. So you can take it minus out. So modulus of Z, I can take it as minus out. So what is the value for this? If plus become minus, so it become minus 1. It become plus 2i equal to 1. See here, minus into minus become plus 1. Minus into plus minus 2i. So what is the center here? Center value is minus 1 comma 2. Center equal to minus 1 comma 2. Center equal to minus 1 comma 2. What is the radius? Radius equal to 1. What is the radius? Radius equal to 1. Center equal to minus 1 comma 2. You move on to the third sum. See the third sum. 3 you can take it out. 3 you can take it out. Modulus of Z minus 2 plus 4i equal to 8. Okay. So you bring 3 to the next side. What is the value you are getting? Z minus 2 plus 4i equal to 8 by 3. Equal to 8 by 3. Here also Z minus Z naught. Okay. You make it term like this. Z minus, you can take it out. So that minus become plus and plus become minus equal to 8 by 3. So what is the format? Z minus Z naught equal to R. This is the center. So you will write center equal to 2 comma minus 4. Center equal to 2 comma minus 4. What about the radius? Radius equal to 8 by 3. Radius equal to 8 by 3. Is it clear? See exercise 2.6. Fifth sum, second Roman letter. Obtain the Cartesian form. Cartesian form is nothing but what? X comma y form of locus of your point Z equal to x plus iy. You can take it as let Z equal to x plus iy. So modulus of x plus iy minus 4 the whole square minus x plus iy minus 1 the whole square equal to 16. So you club the real part. This is real and this is real. So x minus 4 plus iy the whole square minus x minus 1 plus iy the whole square equal to 16. What is the meaning for modulus? Modulus means root of. Modulus means root of. So root of x minus 4 the whole square plus y square the whole square. That modulus means is nothing but square root of x minus 4 the whole square plus y square the whole square minus root of x minus 1 the whole square plus y square the whole square equal to 16. Root and square get cancelled. What is the final value we are having? See here. X minus 4 the whole square plus y square minus x minus 1 the whole square plus y square. Okay. It's equal to 16. So x square minus 8x plus 16. Because a minus b the whole square formula, x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus of x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square equal to 16. The same way a minus b the whole square formula. So x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square See, minus x square plus 2x, minus into minus become plus 2x, minus 1 minus y square equal to 16. Minus x square minus into minus become plus 2x, minus 1 minus y square equal to 16. See, x square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. What are the remaining values you are having? Minus 8x plus 2x is nothing but what? Minus 6x. Minus 6x. 16 plus 16. Here also plus 16. So it get cancelled. So you bring it to the next side, it become minus 16. 16 minus 16 cancel. What is the remaining thing left out? Minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the final answer? You can take the minus out. 6x plus 1 equal to 0. It's nothing but a Cartesian equation of complex number. 6x minus 1 equal to 0. So you take the minus sign commonly out. It is nothing but a Cartesian form of a locus of a complex number.